Hey everyone, welcome back to my Photoshop tutorial. So in today's video, we will change the color of this car. Something like this. Friends, this is very easy way to change the color of the car or something else like this. So watch this video completely, and if you like this video from any angle, then do not forget to like and share this video. And if you want more such videos, then subscribe to the channel too. So let's get started. Open Photoshop and import your photo in such a way. After that, you have to unlock this layer by double-click. That's because, if we do not unlock it by double-click, then we will not be able to do any editing on this layer of photo. Now, you have to go to the mask tool and select this tool by clicking on it. If you cannot select this tool, you simply press M on your keyboard. So in this way, this tool will be selected. You can take any kind of shape. It does not make any difference. After that, you have to click on the Select Mask option. So friends, you will see window something like this. From here, you can make your cursor smaller or larger in size, as I am doing. After that, you have to zoom in, so that we are easy to edit. And now, from here, you can set your transparency according to your need. Perfect. Now, you have to make some layers visible in such a way. By left click on the mouse, as I am doing. Make sure that you color that part of the car, where white color is. I am doing this fast, but you do it well. Make sure that you do not visible the glass, because we do not have to change its color. And do this work very carefully. After the editing is completed, you can reduce its transparency to see whether you have correctly displayed those parts, or not. Something like this. And you can also change the view, according to your need, to see the visibility on parts. After that, you have to scroll down and go to the output, and select this option. And hit OK. Now, our part is selected, which we had marked, and now our last step is, that we have to change the color of this car. Simply click on this option, and select curves. Now you have to change your car color, as I am doing, in this way. If you take it down, then shine will be removed from your car. Something a bit like this. I am reducing the shine of this car. This looks perfect now. Now you can see that we have changes the white color of this car to gray color, just like a new car has been made. So friends, I will meet you again a few days later. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.